Interestingly, Commercials and Kotoko Wolves no continue no former players of the club reactions now Charles Taylor former player of Commercials and Kotoko. Eric BEKOE also a former player of Commercials and Kotoko. Mummy no nyina achiro madwen concerning the future of Eric Kobna and also concerning the future of Prosper Ogum, the head coach of the club. Amanfo kase coach no the adena in the onfa adwuma no nto na onko na Charles Taylor titiri no wa fire say coach Ogum and resign, including many school of thoughts ujidi say mo amofia kure bi mo nsema afre no na jobi kase coach no and resign, coach and resign on step aside and no bi na Charles Taylor eka to bia nkomo bi was Kotoko tumfo de adwuma ma wa untimi resign sa asem na yampa na asa nyampa. Well, Charles Taylor insisted say coach Ogum and resign, but Eric BEKOE nso eka different thing na ono so say master no, just like Arsene Wenger here adwuma here time or developing players no yenja Prosper Ogum no international no nya adwuma. Charles Taylor ansem o kan no the mama putom was Prosper Ogum Nate won the Premier League with Asante Kotoko, but his second coming has been a disaster, which is not good for him and the club. He told us in perfect. It is very worrying not to have a management team at this team. The IMC is not helping the team because the composition is not, or the competition is not even good, but the composition is not good. But then Otumfo in his wisdom think it is good for the club. But with the performance of Prosper Ogum, I think it will be better for him to resign from the club to save the reputation. Or say Prosper Ogum the oye better so be resign or save the reputation and that of the club. Anna Eric BEKOE and so Edin Komo and also some of the two journey or saying they did not have much success with the scouting system at the Kotoko, or referred to Kotoko players. Nearly every player, with the exception of Justice Blay, also apart from Justice Blay, good scouting system with Commercials and Kotoko, and it is immature and they are in the right place at the wrong time. In order to achieve the desired outcome, Kotoko needs to go all out and acquire more elite players. He further added that Prosper steps in to help those who are in there now, as they will need time to grow. Prosper need time to turn things around because, like Arsene Wenger, he developed players. So Eric BEKOE the Ojiri say Prosper Ogum uhia more time. Not why Kotoko youngsters no adwuma. Charles Taylor Jiri say on resign na on save reputation. Why do you say? Inti wa adwenchire.